Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add data for a custom new weapon, and we're going to add it via a shop, the Arnie shop. I'm going to show you right now. That it is unchanged. Okay, so as you see, this is a normal shop, and we're going to add a new weapon. So I made this little document that I'm going to give in the description below. There's a few steps we have to do to create a new weapon. For a start, we're going to give it a name, and to do so, we're going to open our games, our ISO into an X editor. We're going to go to this offset. As you see, there's a bunch of 20s and zeros. Each of those are the name for the unused weapons. There's a bunch of them, and we're going to give a custom new name. So I'm going to do this, copy over there. This is the name. We want to modify the name ID, which is actually a pointer for the game to look at when they're looking for a name. We're going to modify these. I'm going real quick. I'm not going to go into details really in this video. I just want to show you the overall steps to add a new weapon. So the next steps, we want to give the equippability for the weapon, which actually tells the game which kind of weapon it is and which character are going to be able to equip it. You can add a text description. I'm not going to do that in this video. It's only for you can do that. It's the same steps as adding a name. It just, you add a text and then you put a pointer to your description. So that's very easy. I'm going to give our new weapon some good stats. Let's give it a ridiculous amount of AP. And when you want to edit stats of a weapon, you have to modify two values. The first one being the value that's going to be displayed in the menu, and the other one is going to be the value that is actually used in battle. So you want to make sure that you modify both of them. So you see, I'm going to put 90 instead of 10 in both. Alright, and now you also have the weapon look. This is a bit particular. I'm going to first finish the steps and then come back to this one. So we add the stats, and then for our last one, we want to add the weapon directly into the shop. I'm going to add it into Arnie's shop. Instead of having Ivory's dagger, I'm going to give this shop our new custom weapon. And the cost of this weapon, I'm simply going to put 1 bone, so it costs something. And alright, now we should have a working brand new weapon. Let's see if everything works out. Alright, so as you see, it's a new blade that's going to be equipped only by blade builders. Forge it, alright. So let's have a look at our weapon. Right, it's here. Good, it has good AP. Fantastic. You can have a look at it too. Alright, so this is what I want to talk about. The byte that dictates what the looks of the weapon is. It's right here. So as you see, it's a 6, which corresponds to Hero's Blade. So you could actually display any one that you like. So for a test, we're going to put 8 here and modify it here too. Remember, this is for the battle, and this one is for in the menu, display in the menu. Alright, so let's look if it actually changed. I'm going to have to buy the weapon back. Oh no, I think okay, let's go. Alright, great. Alright, so now we will test in battle, see if the damage is good too. I'm going to remove Dario from our crew because he's not set right now to be in battle. Okay. Alright, so I'll be strong. Alright, that's pretty good. Great. So yeah, now you know how to add data for a new custom weapon. I'm going to make a video hopefully soon to show you guys how to create your own model and textures to be imported in the game too, so you can create actually any kind of weapons. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. See you around.